Arjun was a young boy. He wanted to speak English, but he felt shy and scared. In school, when the teacher asked questions in English, Arjun looked down. He did not want to speak. He thought, what if I make mistakes? What if my friends laugh at me? One day his teacher noticed Arjun was quiet. After class, she called him and said, Arjun, don't be afraid. Everyone makes mistakes when learning. Just try. That is enough. Arjun listened, but he still felt nervous. The next day, the teacher asked, Can anyone say one sentence in English? Arjun's heart beat fast. His hands felt cold, but he remembered his teacher's words. Slowly, he stood up and said, I am Arjun. His voice was soft, but he said it. The teacher smiled. Very good, Arjun, she said. Arjun felt a little happy. He made a mistake, but nothing bad happened. That evening at home, Arjun stood in front of a mirror. He said, My name is Arjun. I am learning English. He practiced every day. After some days, Arjun said longer sentences. I like playing football. I go to school every day. I am trying my best. Weeks passed. Arjun became more confident. One day in class, the teacher asked, What do you want to be in the future? This time, Arjun raised his hand. He stood up and said, I want to become a teacher. The whole class clapped. Arjun smiled. He was not the shy boy anymore. He thought, I was afraid before, but I became brave because I tried. Morale, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to try.